22-touch infrared touch screen. Visible coffee bean canister, 16G coffee extractor, 1 extraction for a large cup. Ingredient canisters with self-heating and damp-proof design. 3 levels for ingredient content, you can DIY your drinks. Compatible with banknotes, coins, cards and QR code payment. Automatic cup dispensing. Dieting 64mm grinding blades to ensure fine coffee powder. Pre-soaking, 9-bar prime extracting pressure, 92 extracting temperature, PID control, 16,000 in stirrer, able to generate dense milk foam. Automatic pickup door, non-touching and safer, able to hold a slave machine to sell drinks and snacks.